Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we have been discussing about the S3 bucket, right? S3 bucket, listing S3 bucket and uploading to S3 bucket, all those things. So in this video, we will be discussing how can you create a S3 bucket. Okay. For that, we can use the same package that is like boto3. Okay. This is very simple code. Okay. I will show you that. So let's start. So here we can use the same imports. Okay, so I am importing my constants here. So this is the custom made. This is where I am saving the secret key and the secret ID. So in your case, maybe you can hard code it, or you can save, which is not recommended anyway. You can save it in your environment file, or you can save this into a .aws folder. So I will talk about .aws layer later. Maybe like I will create a new video for that. Okay. So anyway, I am using this constants file. Now I can import boto3. Okay. So this is a boto3. Then we can create a client. The same code. Nothing more here. I can create S3. Okay. Now I can specify AWS access key ID. AWS access key ID. Now I can mention secret key, secret access key. I can mention that AWS secret access key. Okay. Now here I can mention a bucket name, my YouTube V1. I am creating a new version V1. I believe I have already created a one with the my YouTube. Okay. Anyway, so this is my bucket name. Now we can type client.create bucket. Create bucket. Then we can give the bucket name. So there is a parameter bucket name. So this will give us a result. Okay, we can keep it in a result variable. Now we can print the result. So we can run it. For that I am using that like Visual Studio terminal. Let me run it. S3 create bucket. Oh, something went wrong. Module object is not callable. Okay, what is that? You can check that. Client dot saying that something went wrong here. You can check. Okay, boto3 dot client. Okay, my mistake. Sorry. So let me run it again. Okay, again we got an error. Okay, I am checking that. An error occurred, invalid bucket name. When calling the create bucket, the specific bucket is not valid. Okay, they are saying that this is not valid bucket name. Okay, let me check this one. Here client dot create bucket. I believe the spelling is correct, and we are mentioning bucket is equal to bucket. Oh, maybe like underscore may not be. Okay, I think there are few rules. I believe underscore may not be supported by. Okay, yeah, underscore is not allowed. Okay, so when we create a S3 bucket, underscore is not allowed. So this is successfully created. Okay, so here response, and inside response metadata we are getting, here we have a HTTP status code as a 200. That means it is success. Okay, now I can go and show my S3 bucket here. You can see like lot of junk here. Just don't look at this. Okay, we have created a my YouTube V1, right? So this is what we have created, my YouTube V1. So you can see that it is created in a US East 1 region. Okay, so that is North Virginia region. So this is the, but in our case we have not mentioned anything here, right? Did we mention any kind of a region here? No, right? So that means by default, whatever we creating, it is created into this particular region. Okay, US is one region it is creating. Okay. Now we can just talk about little bit on this result. So usually what we can do, so now before that just run it again. Okay, just run it again. Okay, so this is again giving us the same response. See, so this is, so if already there, okay, if the bucket is already there, okay, then it will not give like any error for this particular function. Okay, and what's happening here is like if there is no bucket, it will create again. Okay, now here we can use, usually what we will do, we can check the result, then see this one, this JSON. So inside response metadata, right? Inside response metadata, we can check HTTP status code. So this code, if HTTP status code, if this is equal to 200, that means it's created successfully. Okay, else print failed to create. Okay, now we can run it again. Now we can comment this print here, just run it again. Okay, this is created successfully. Now we can talk about how can we add the region. Okay, to create a region, what we can do, first we can mention a location here. Let me mention a location. So here, this is a JSON. Inside the JSON, I can say that location constraint. If I have any location constraint, I can mention here constraints. Things constraint. Okay, here I can mention maybe US East 2. Now here I can mention as a parameter, I can mention that create bucket config. Create bucket configuration equal to location. Okay, now just run this one. Python create, maybe I can use up arrow. Yep. So we can see, okay. So here we already have a bucket in US East 1 region, then we are trying to create another one in US East 2. That is why it is throwing this error. Okay. So what we can do, we can change this name. If it is in the same region, it will not throw error, but since it's a different region, it is throwing the error. Okay, now it is created successfully. I have changed to my YouTube V12. We can do the just refresh here. Yeah, my YouTube V2. See, now this is in US East 2 region. Earlier it was US East 1, now it is in US East 2 region. Okay, so that is how we create the S3 bucket in a different regions. Okay, so yeah, that is all about in this video. I will try to upload this file to GitHub and I will share you with you guys. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, like you can like in my Git also. Okay, please do follow my Git repo also. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.